You're doing a pretty good job with the rounding off. Now try and round off to 2 decimal places using the rule.
Oh, I think I can do it. Bring it on.
Round off to 2 decimal places using rule. 0.323. To round off to 2 decimal places, we consider the 1000th digit of the number, which is 3. Remember the rule. If the 1000th digit of the number is less than 5, then the 100th digit is rounded down. So 0.323 is rounded down to 0.32. That's right. 0.578.
Thank you for watching. Enroll now. To access all 107 videos totaling 10 hours and 41 minutes, featuring introductions, examples, and exercises for Grade 5 Math.